Right, so today I'll be connecting the light with the switches. So first of all, we'll start by connecting the bulb holder, and after that we'll try to light up the bulb using the circuit breaker. So that's what I was doing. First, connect the bulb holder. Tighten the screws, making sure there are no loose connections, because these loose connections can cause sparks. Okay, so there we connect the neutral and tighten it, making sure there are no loose connections. Then we put the bulb holder in place, in position, then making it firm to the board, making sure that it's tight. And the circuit breaker is 5 amps. Okay, so now we connect to the circuit breaker. And now that we are done, let's try to see if our bulb will work. So the live is connected under the circuit breaker. Okay, so it's working, and this is the diagram of the connection. So if you want to wire it, this is the diagram. Now we unscrew and try to add a switch. So this is the 1 gang 2-way switch, but we use it as a 1 gang 1-way. So connect both the breaker and the bulb. So the live wire that is coming from the breaker, we connect to the common of the switch, and making sure also that there are no loose connections. We tighten the screw so that it's tight and firm. Okay, so that's how we connect it. Then we connect the live that is coming from the bulb to the live one of the switch. Okay, so we connect it to the live one of the switch, so that when we place the switch, the light must come on. We screw it as well, making sure that there are no loose connections. Now that it's tight, let us test if it's working. We lift the breaker and the light is working. So this is the diagram of the circuit as well, if you want to wire it. And now we unscrew it and add an extra switch. So this type of a circuit now that we are making is called two-way lighting circuit. It is a circuit where we light up one bulb using 2 switches. You can switch on the light using one switch and switch it off using another switch. So this is the type of switching system that is used in a building which has got an entrance and an exit. So one switch can be on one door and the other switch on another door, so that you can switch on the light from one end and switch it off to another end. So the live that is coming from the breaker goes to the common of switch 1, and another live from the bulb goes to the common of switch 2. Then we connect live 1 of switch 1 to live 1 of switch 2, and we connect also live 2 to the live 2 of switch 1 to the live 2 of switch 2. So now we are doing just that and making sure that there are no loose connection. We tighten it and we connect another line, another wire. Okay, so now that is tight. Okay, let's just make sure that it is tight. And once it's tight, we'll demonstrate how it's working. So now that it's done, here is the demonstration of how it works. Okay, so we lift the breaker, place switch 1 and off, on, off. It's working, on, off. So you can switch the light using one switch and switch it off using another switch. and it's working. And for the diagram, this is how it looks like. Alright, so it's your host, Engineer City David. Thank you for watching.